But them a come. One we say, wizard one we say, wave it pon them. Strike we strike them. Gracie she them. Ari strike them. Auntie Dana Rasta ja them. You never know. And Chris mammer them. Who no go where. How you come bout. How you a go. Ari kill you. Shanti, remember me tell you shit boss. Try again. Wrong information. Me can't believe you never do your homework. Me can't believe you never know what you do. Me can't believe you was say the on internet so long, Shanti. Make wizard fool you and give you wrong information and you run out with it like a real. None of them boys don't come from Mountain View with up on the picture them. You're fool. Wrong picture. That yard is not in front of Dana. Wrong again. The Prime Minister don't know nothing about a building, just like come tell you to the Prime Minister Secretary watch you. Why would the Prime Minister Secretary watch you? That's how much you in your head. That's how much you in your head, you know. You think you're bigger than yourself. Zap fear. Yeah, man. Zap up fear. We zap you. Abracadabra. Can you not do your homework? Potters make me see the one them. Wave up the one them. Them can't defeat we. And them can't keep us silent. And when we're done with them, we'll post them. And we say so. Yeah. But them run out with information. Run out with wrong information.
No, not a tape. Yesterday I sent you a tip.
Yesterday I sent them a tip. Every day. Them ignorant to the cut off them money source, you know. When me I text you for about text me. Now come about me the on live.
Big up yourself, appreciate it, you will get it.
Potters, you my thank you there.
Monday. I appreciate it, my brother. Manners and respect, you need to have thanks. Harry, big up yourself, appreciate it, you will get it. That's in the next package.
Them bite the hands of feed them Potters. Make me see the one. Make me see the one for them. Them bite the hands that feed them. Make me see the one. Shit Shanti. Shit boss. Dirty boy. Beggy Peggy. Yes man, him and Ratty. Uno better have Suzette money.
Big up yourself, appreciate it, you will get it. That's in the next package for Monday. I appreciate it, my brother. Manners and respect.
You how them did appreciate you, Potters. You how them did love you, Potters. You hear them, Potters, you don't listen again, you know.
Big up yourself.
I know area body this, area fish, area witch. Yeah man, listen to them Potters. That's why wrong information for them. Wrong information for them. You can't go like you like me.
Appreciate it, you will get it.
Think you can trick me? I'm still not lose nothing. I still have it. Yeah.
Harry, a joke thing, man. I rub that bitch out. Larry ain't gonna suck her mama. Eh? Larry ain't gonna suck her mama and gonna suck Dana pussy.
Yeah, come and tell you say I can't come off a Lorraine now. Yeah, that headed mad boy. When I said done now. Yeah. You love rider. Go.
I call you back now and answer.
Even though I'm in a response to the tone of plastic teeth, forget abracadabra, and you forget step on. Me and the Potters them now, I'm not partner around here. Or no go away from here. Rise, dirty bungle, dirty shanty. You and dirty matlock. Potters fling up the one if you're not ready for me destroy them.
Harry, manners and respect. Harry, boy, to that comment and him have a couple people who first come to mind. Gully Bapa, my general still, and me and him used to do something.
Lie my tell, don't say nothing when me send go give him go give Gully Bap.
Bad situation. But I buy him some.
When you can show me bill and receipt of every dollar when me send come give and when you do with it, then you can talk to me.
And him, me link him still, cause me hear the people.
Never buy the hand that feed you.
Well, with some of the bag them for that. I tell him some would buy him some greens. I'm gonna put a little change pan it if it's that good. I'm gonna beg somebody in a beg, but pay them to go clean up and cook a little thing for him. Give him the one time with it to get myself. I might get somebody to buy some of the bag.
Think me an idiot. That night there I send the money come give you. I pay a weed, me see her smoking in the car. I know exactly where the money go to. Pay a weed and a buckle of NSA.
Couple days ago I'm come out of the hospital.
Yeah, come get bright. Potters gonna look again. From the Potters Club. From the Potters, yeah man. We contribute how much to them. How much we contribute to them. And him a come talk up. Eh? Eric, dirty. Girl Shanti, can't chat to nobody. You is a charity within yourself. You yourself is a charity case. You can't chat to nobody. When you is a charity case, Ashanti, you're not supposed to do charity. Somebody fi do charity for you. Boy, yeah, come. Yeah, mama, could take the mystery of fight, man. See it there? And then I'm sure no. Say up a Dana. Not a no, Dana. Not a no up a no Dana yard. No look good people. Wrong information him get. Yeah, no, them are the quenga. The quenga them where Dana have up there. Liar stop tell liar. Jungle man them here. The quenga. See there, this is where love connection go. This is where love connection go. Them people are never there on love connection yet. Dana don't know them people. This is not in front of Dana yard. Go away. That's too lie. Yeah, me send them go give him for put him in a this. Go away. You know bad like me. That's how she and the Prime Minister go out with a Jamaica. This how she use to think them and a buy. Blancatarian with him liar self. Never vet him source. Never vet. Look pon this. Look pon. Yeah. You never take the time for look pon this. This is China. The license plate of China. I'm a brethren woman go Guangzhou. Go buy supplies for finish up in my apartment. Go away. Boy, yeah, come out. I don't know. You know, vet your source. See the apartment them here where Dana and the Prime Minister build. Stop tell lie on the woman. This apartment is nowhere near. If it did the mountain, you wouldn't see mountain in the back of it. Mountain view one place, that's a mountain in the back. This is Everdale people. If you look, you can see another private residence is next to it. Yeah, the person bulldozed them also. Then did have an build apartments up there. Go and stop tell lie on the woman. Pay wrong information, my son come give you. So we do it. So me and my Potters them do it. Where you gotta know? Potters, me just come back. Cause me never want it just cut off like that. Big up on yourself, on know some love on no. We have whole heap of other show come. We never have no time for it, you know. But I them a force way. I them want it. We gonna destroy them and put them down in the shit bucket where them belong. How are them here, boy? Our chicken foot. Where chicken foot and shrimp a go. We chicken foot and shrimp and go. We pop off them head. We ring off them foot. We put bull ring in them nose and trample them. Ashanti, next time, make sure you vet your source. Breaking news tonight, you have something very good to report. We pause for a cause today as we try to tell you that Harry the Mole has brought you us wrong information about Donna. Yeah. Wrong information. You're sure not credible. You never vet your source. You never vet where nothing come from. Me a war with. Me do my homework every time. For me I go to school, I like to do my homework. I refresh my memory for what happened in a class the day before. The year. So with that I will say, Potters, me love you now. Make me see some likes run up on the video. Make me see some shares and make me see some love. Potters, me death yes, so what you know? Them can't beat we. Them can't ride we. We are gonna ride them. When we're done with them, yes, so YouTube them a go. In any shape, form, we want put them in a. Yeah, man. Shit, Shanti, I shot you with my wand. Won you up. Yeah, man. It was a beautiful day. You know how long more wait for you run out with the things, them? Yes. It splatter all over your face like it do today. Yeah. The plank of them hate you. The plank of them not like you. Me get feel realize say you know have no friend boy because everybody hate you because you make play war with people on the internet. Yeah, man. Shit boss when nobody no rate. Ashanti shit boss. 360 shit family. The shit family. Yeah, man. Rocky, Ratlock. Yeah. With our biggest name, Noselock. Yeah, man. Fire, man. Over vacuum. Me nah stop telling me while you upside down and push it in my house. Make a vacuum up in here. Over, girl. And with that, we shall commence. Potters, I shall be back. We shall return. Big up on yourself, our love on you. We can do it raw, we can do it decent, we can do it, yeah. We're not afraid of them. We are not daunted. Not even a second. We are not daunted. We will not shrug. Yeah. In the words of the great Winston Churchill, we will fight in the fields. We will fight in the hills. We will fight in the streets and in the cities. And we will never surrender. Yeah. Potters, me love you. Big up on yourself. Them dead, them dead.